Sustainability is doing no harm, trying to preserve all that we can, be aware of the resources that we're using, and continually strive to use less and less so there's more for our children. If we don't take care of the planet and if we don't take care of the environment and we continue to waste resources and be inefficient in the way that we use resources, things will run out. We want to do the right thing. I think it's that simple. Everything that we do from a design and construction perspective, there's always an element of how do we do this in an environmentally responsible way. So it's part of our DNA, it's how we think about things. It's sort of built into what we do and what we think about. In 2008, the Palazzo received its LEED Silver Award for new construction. In 2010, the Venetian and Sands Expo were both awarded LEED Gold for existing buildings. So when you combine the Venetian, the Palazzo, and the Sands Expo, what you get is the largest LEED certified building on the planet.
We are such a huge property. Any small initiative that we do have huge impact on the environment. LEED certification in existing building, I think, is really important because it focuses a lot on operations, because operations use a lot more energy and resources than a new construction. New construction happens once and it's done, but operations, it continues for the lifespan of your building.
As well as maintaining the marble, I've got to maintain the sustainability. I've got to make sure that we are taking the trash out as we're supposed to. We're recycling that trash as we're supposed to. Are the light bulbs going in that are qualified that meets our requirements for sustainability? So it's two parts. It's building it, LEED certified, and then operating it, LEED certified.
Sustainability to me means that we're minimizing our burdens on the environment. Some of the upgrades that we put into our properties as part of our LEED certification have yielded significant improvements. We currently save at least 73 million kilowatt hours of electricity per year. Some of the greatest benefits occur with energy efficient lighting.
By reducing the wattage, we found that you've got a product that lasts longer, so you've got less going into landfill. Another side benefit is the reduced heat, so your air conditioning improves. One of the things that we think about as it relates to lighting is how can we not only rely on artificial light, but use natural light. When we're able to introduce outside light into the building, we try to take advantage of that like we've done successfully in the Palazzo. We've spent millions of dollars to implement solar PVs and solar thermal systems.
We have a very large solar thermal heating system. It's approximately 18,200 square feet. It's believed to be the largest system here in the United States and in Canada. It provides heating to the pools, spas, some of the domestic hot water. We've also put in a 116 kilowatt photovoltaic system, also utilizing solar energy, except in this case it generates electricity. The benefit of that is that it helps reduce our utility consumption.
Less energy use will always mean less water use. Keeping the energy use down is also going to produce less heat in the building. Less heat in the building means we have to have less air conditioning trying to discard that heat.
We have a state-of-the-art cooling technology that we use. The water fixtures in our luxurious suites are low flow. We have a water reclamation system in place.
Sands has established a recycling system. They're reclaiming this very low quality water, treating it in their own treatment plant, and turning it into very high quality water that can be used to irrigate the landscape on the grounds. They use low volume irrigation, which means drip irrigation that's putting the water right where the plants need it.
We've reduced our annual consumption of water by more than 130 million gallons with zero impact on our guests.
They've done everything to make the guest room highly efficient, to make the cooling systems highly efficient, the irrigation highly efficient. These are some of the best managed facilities anywhere in the world.
Imagine the world's largest resort hotel casino with all the trash and all the recyclables heading for the same recycling facility. During the construction of the Palazzo, 70% of the trash down to the dock was recycled. We have 60 tons of trash that go through that dock each day. We recycle 15,000 light bulbs each year, 20,000 batteries each year. 12 tons of food is recycled at the dock daily. To save that from going to landfill and being recycled is a big plus.
We're blazing the trail here. I mean, we really are. This is the biggest place in the world that I'm aware of that does this much effort.
If we change one bulb, that saves us hundreds of thousands of kilowatt hours. Any small initiative that's implemented here has huge impact.
On a global basis, given our scale, we are certainly the leaders. I can promise you that there isn't a hotel close to this size that has made the inroads that we've made in sustainability.